You are saving 20% of every paycheck. Amazing. But if you are just dumping it into your regular bank account, I have bad news. You are losing money every single day. Most regular savings accounts pay almost zero interest. Meanwhile, inflation eats away 3 to 4% of your money every year. That means saving alone is not enough. Your money needs a job. Here is what to do instead. Split your 20% into 3 buckets. Bucket 1, emergency fund. Bucket 2, retirement. Bucket 3, short-term goals. Each bucket has a different job and a different place it should live. Bucket 1 is your safety net. 3 to 6 months of expenses, sitting in a high-yield savings account, earning 4 or 5%, not a regular bank, an online one. This money is for the unexpected, not for shopping. Bucket 2 is where wealth actually grows. If your job offers a 401k match, take every dollar of it. That is free money. After that, open a Roth IRA and put it into a low-cost index fund. This bucket compounds for decades. Even small amounts become huge over time. Bucket 3 is for the next 1 to 5 years, a house down payment, a wedding, a career break. This money also goes in a high-yield savings account, not the stock market. You need it soon, so it has to be safe. Saving is the first step. Putting your money in the right place is what actually builds wealth. Next video, I am breaking down how much you should have saved by 30, by 40, and what to do if you are behind. Subscribe so you do not miss it.